I'm back again with car features you need but don't know you do. Part 2. Number 1. Auto headlights. That little A on your light switch, it's not there for decoration, my sister. When you set your lights to auto, they come on automatically when it's dark and switch off when it's bright. It saves your battery and makes sure you are always visible on the road. Smart and effortless, especially for people like me who always forgets to turn off their lights. Number 2, auto dimming rear view mirror. I love this one. If you've ever been blinded by the car behind you at night, this feature is your best friend. It automatically adjusts the brightness to reduce glare. No need to flip the mirror manually. Once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Number 3, tire pressure monitoring system. You know that little yellow light that looks like a horseshoe with an exclamation mark? That's not a random warning. It's your car telling you one of your tires is running low on pressure. And ignoring it can affect your fuel consumption and tire lifespan, or even your safety. So next time it lights up, don't panic. Just check your tire pressure. Stop by a petrol station. So tell me, which one of these features do you actually use? And which one did you just realize your car even has? Comment below. I'll see you again on Car Features You Need, Part 3.